Hi, my name is Eric. I work here at Sports Watch Bar and Grill in Highland, and right now I'm going to make the Blueberry Lemon Drop Martini. You're going to get a lemon martini glass, sugar at the rim, ice in the shaker, and we're going to start off with about 2 ounces of smeared off blueberry vodka. We're going to add some simple syrup, which is just sugar and water. Right now we're going to add about 5 fresh lemon squeezes into it. Shaking the cake. Strain into the martini glass. And then we're going to add blue curacao, which adds the color for the blueberry, but the citrus for the lemon drop. Garnish with the lemon, and there you have the Blueberry Lemon Drop Martini.